In order to reduce hazard at Zone 1, we installed fencing around it. In addition, we installed light curtain in a horizontal configuration, as well as a control panel with an e-stop. Zone 2 is also protected with fencing, movable guard, mechanical flap opening in one direction, e-stop, and an optional floor mat. Additional e-stop inside Zone 2. And a light curtain. Zone 3 is protected with fencing, automated gate, and an e-stop. The automated gate is equipped with soft edge to detect collision. It is possible for the Robot 1 to collide with the boxes and throw them out of the safeguarded area. Therefore, we added an additional fence to prevent it.